Class 12th, how are you? Hope doing your exams preparation well. And during these days, again, you have to remember that follow the COVID rules and regulation. We are at the very end of our chapter second, food supplement for children. Food supplement for children. Before going to that chapter, few things you have to remember that just later on we will have a proper meeting related to these things. First, I want to tell you that related to your marks division, 70 marks is for your theory and 30 marks is for practical. In that practical, you have to make file. We will later on tell you what type of file you will make and what will be the matter in that file. In a previous year, there was a notice related to art integrated project. Try to find out there are certain things related to art integrated project. Ask from your friends, those who has left the school. You will get a general idea, but there will be a specific meeting for that also. I am just telling you that you may know something about what is art integrated, about file and distribution of marks. In coming days, you will be having your exams and you will be very busy writing your homework, submitting your homework. Make your file neat and clean. Syllabus we will give you for practical file. A student, this morning or today's lecture is related to food supplement for children. In previous class, I had already told you about what is food supplement and why it is important to have food supplements. See, read your book, and in that book, what is food supplement? Food supplement, most of the parents remain under stress, tension, thinking about their children unhealthy lifestyle. We are well aware of fact that fast food have become favorite food of majority of the children. The main reason of being lack of proper nutrition, parents have found a solution to the problems in a form of food supplement. A lack of proper nutrition. Lack of proper nutrition. So there is a need of food supplement. And what are food supplements? Taking extra vitamin, minerals are food supplement. We have to understand the meaning of food supplement. What is the meaning of food supplement? Students, here you can see the various types of food supplements. These are minerals, vitamins, fish liver oil, food supplements. We are talking about food supplements. Meaning of food supplement. Meaning of food supplement. Food supplement means a nutrition that is added to your diet, nourish your body. You are not taking this nutrition in adequate amount. We are taking in a small amount. What adequate amount of food we are having? Carbohydrate, pulses, Every day we are eating rice. In our diet, supplements generally includes vitamins. What are the things that are include? Vitamins, minerals, fibers, fatty acids, amino acids, and many other. Supplement may be in the form of tablet. Here you can see, here you can see in a form of tablets, in the form of tablets or powder which can be added to water or milk consumption for consumption while we are having food. We can even add this in our water or in a milk. Food supplements, we are talking about food supplements here. We came to know about the meaning of food supplement and why there is a need of food supplements in a diet, and what are the food supplements generally included: vitamins, minerals, fibers, and how we can take. We can take in tablet form or in a powder form. We can add in water and milk for consumption. Now, why there is a need? We had came to know what is food supplement, meaning of food supplement, need of food supplement in a child, need of food supplement in a child. Why there is a need of food supplement in a child? Supplement play a vital role in proper growth and development of child. Why it is important? Because it play a vital role in proper development of growth and development in a child. That's why food supplement is very important. It become necessary when there is a lack of adequate nutrition in diet. Why it became necessary? When there is an adequate nutrition in a diet of a child. For example, food supplement like omega 3 fatty acid shown to be of no benefit for healthy children, because already there is no need in them. It means that if a child takes a balanced or nutritious diet, there will be no any extra benefit for him or her for taking food supplement. Even some food supplements may prove to be harmful, unnecessary when we are taking. If we are taking unnecessary, suppose high risk of prostate cancer than individual who did not consume vitamin E. Similarly, calcium supplements too has been found in a greater risk of heart attacks. If we are doing heart attacks, if we are taking in adequate amount. Food supplements may not contain all nutrients that a child need. So, why it is very important? Here we had seen the importance of food supplement. Why it is so important? Because for the development of a child, for the development of child. So, students, class 12th, we came to know about food supplements, and it is very important and essential to have food supplements. Why? A question arises why there is a need of food supplements, because if we are not taking a balanced diet food, so there is a need of food supplement. We had came to know about food supplement. Now, precaution while taking food supplements. We have to take precautions also while taking food supplements. In a last year, while we are checking board exams copies, we had seen this question is repeating again and again in board exams. So go through it, read it. What precaution should be taken while taking food supplements? For growth and development in child, there are a wide range of food supplements, and all these we can find in market, and market is flooded with various types of food supplements. These supplements provide essential nutrition to our body. Food supplements may act boom to children who are not taking balanced diet or healthy diet. However, such food supplement should be taken following precaution. While taking following precaution should be taken while using food supplement. And what precaution should we take while taking food supplement? Ensure that there is a lack of essential nutrition in a child diet. We have to find whether if a particular child is really lacking essential nutrients in a child diet, then we have to consult to a doctor for need for to take food supplement. Is there he is really there is a need of food supplement or not? One more important is, before buying food supplement, ensure that there is a free from preservatives. You know what are preservatives? It contains fillers or any added sugar. Preservatives, you know, because many preservatives are harmful also while taking much while consuming adequate amount in our diet. Third is, food supplement may be harmful if they are taken in excessive dose. While we are taking adequate, when there is no need of food supplement and we are taking in excessive dose, minerals and fat soluble vitamins can get accumulated in the body. Some of the food supplements may cause harm to their rapid absorption in blood stream. It may cause because during at that time it is observed in our blood streams. That's why we have to pay attention while taking food supplements. While taking food supplements, we have to take adequate precautions while taking food supplements, and it is very important to take precaution while we are taking food supplements. So it is end of the chapter of food supplements, and we should encourage students to eat healthy food instead of taking food supplements. We can encourage students or our children to have a balanced diet food or better quality of food instead of running for food supplements. So this is the end of your chapter, and go through each and every question, long answer type question, short answer type question. In exams, you will have MCQs, short and long answer type question. Go through it, read it, and try to answer according to the need of marks. And one more thing I want to remember you that maintain your physical education notebook. It is very important what work is given to you. Write in physical education notebook. Make a proper, good and nice notebook, because in a previous year, school has given a time to the students for the teachers to check the notebook also. So it is very, very important to or be ensure that your notebooks are made regarding physical education. Go through the both of the chapters, chapter number first and second. In second chapter, we had came to know about fixtures, buys, knockout, fixtures, buy and knockout. These are the important not only for your this exams but for board exams also. Go through it, try to practice in a rough notebook how you can settle a fixture of 13 teams, 19 teams, knockout of 17 teams, how you can put buys, what are food supplements. Go through each and every question and prepare for your exams. Do your best for your exams. Hope you will do best in coming days.